mental health pia affect mono asini mchiti stress depression nyingi cha maisha na vyenye maisha ni kwa ngumu very expensive so pia nende abaiseke nende twa chi programs chiro to bangete asa abaiseke cho ko screening na cervical cancer na itshinde chinyinge ndo itusaidie so that we can prevent intonyo romo awate au kongete na wao konyo mapema asini tunepo kwenda screening yeti ne chibesa chitakiroro one we are looking forward to bring these services for free of charge. We partner with people then after they are being wanafanywa hizi screening inaweza wasaidia sana like we said tuseme today Nyamira hapo juu maybe tsene hapo Jamhuri Ground Center let me use that venue we decide we are bringing up there we tell the people that we are doing this for free for you people to come to be checked then pia we have speakers from outside they can also come they speak to the youth about the mental health nebora bakonye ndera bachangamuke ndera bachangamu
all right ere bujake gima inchora be commentera Mr Project Manager
ndimo tukwana mostly ya se mental health tokole wolinki yakogera mental health yacha neli ko baido iyo ndumuntu atapati ndaka kwa mostly ngironyo umuntu myakiro ya marume koso umuntu amuyo waiter umuntu jakiro this thing ekoba through idleness maito mozonga ko debanga and idle mind is the devil's workshop so in keeping these people busy umuntu yomambi mugondale through agriculture maro bangetiara wako mupira umuntu yokonyororosi asina ala ende konyo gendo ke modisturb yo wongo okonyoranga onyolire ana avenue yo ko relax na ende at the end of the month na taito konyo lebesege ebesegete apart from that sarabuna tebire we are partnering with a lot of under the health department that is headed by Susan we are approaching various medical practitioners yes egere patokonye tunyolenga tuikile near the people omanye who's what who's mental health how to control it na how to learn without it moso mano muiseke obolito bwa matema ikabo no akonyora ngochire because buna sande into abwate monto ko health uju wasarake okwanete yola mangana isana oli attended na genet because we will be giving also some measures to konya baiseke mbanyora beginners also advice yeah
all right ere buya kigima kulende boigo ase emeroberiye mubwate tumanyango ase ensemo elia yogukinia abasaya asoborai meroberi kimubwatane mono ase ugukinia oboraya asabasaya sara ama leadership development
hapo if to speak about that I think tunatubwate msantano ila inasaidia the abasai they come up they rise up wache kukaa at their comfort zones ama iache kuangalia sana yeah so like you see the ward representatives let me start from there so you see like we have a ward representative wakonyoro muntu yo bekira mne ward representative na ward akonele uwezo wa kusimamia watu. So that's how we empower them. We give them the chance to stand up, and pia when we are talking, we have the youth around. We give them the chance to speak out. So this one empower us. It gives us the strength inatuonyesha that we can stand for ourselves pia. So that's the only thing I can say about that.
All right, ere buja kigima ingora na sensemo yao project manager mechando kieye mwandrata gwetera
emechando ne menge aruna ndi mechando menene ne kana bese tebo mine because we are running project without money manyo cha wa nyumba tawa tunene shilingi na beko be gase ne bake nyumba yiki kila mego our main project ni chibese bese around to bwati lakini through our mchanga platform kwenye atala watu watu konya. Apart from that we have tuanyole zero support from the county tuatema utaragari county offices tukapata wingi kimbito na kieke ngakimoto konya county office mbayo tutegera ebana manalete ngakiro youths bako yandagali bako kujibesa bako raki basoka into tuaje teneje proposal tukapata winga ndobwate tizantis we want at the agriculture department tukaenda abantu bate metoto konya ngaite environmental bato etemete tukasimeka Jamhuri Grounds on Sunday tukaenda budget health yes I guess tukaenda health but tukakani we were trying to approach the governor Tomotevi, these are projects, how can you help us? Because there is money for youth. We know from national education of the youth, budgeted for the youth under Nyamira County. What we need is this money from from under the county. But having youths, buying for youth, because we are being told that 30% of even the project under the county are supposed to be given to youths. But support. So much I don't leadership and all youths are ready to start. For example, project 27 more than 50 schools. Back in the to identify the readies, more than 50 schools. To get the prison, prison in Nyamira. To get the orphanage. So, chiparsi wote take teneji nyingi. So on the way to get it, atake yako tokonya, so what the factory, so what the parts asigete. Na bako tokonya, nenga tueleza mano yo moiseke. Egereta mental health yetonya tuanya koliki, tuanya reduce. So fund is the major problem. If we get any support, we will appreciate. Yeah.
Nkura wako menchera ane mona sama kong mogwetera.
Yeah, ama komunalo, amangi, na jinsate ebide, fans, my team members are most of us are very unemployed. Ono okonyora chibesa to push these projects that we have, ekoba nkomuti, ekoba HDNN, nende kero na James Ateba, tokwenda ruburari tokoba TV. Ene tubatiga na kimora tokoni bakorra na mandamana na chete wono bakorra maybe we are against so much against the government or toko dina access umuntu rio munene ndora tokoni wono hiyo ndo shida kubwa sana. Then another thing is abasai baito abande mbaro bakorra mna tubate aims onye tubaikira abantu badia banene to chibesa ne twende tuisaranse wono ko barenta amwe kuba ekubenkongu.
All right, ere buya kigima ase kolendo mwanchumurele on Ndizi TV abuno toraba tokogenda ase umutimuko oro mwenge kigima kolende naende nimbe inkwirana nabagani baito tobe tokogendra gusanga nabo anemono igoro ya mange ayo ekyombeke kyabo ya Jamhuri Kenya Youth Initiative Orosagia Ronyamira bagendrete go kora tubasa gusuka tubasa konyegera.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi Ubuna butambe kuruwa muchubo songo edukane ye muyuka ekoni ibintu byugutumika nyumba byukoni asiduka ukwagachira ibyubulimi nibindi binge imena isiko yorogonkorwa gusi Owuru Superstores Limited buna bono koni abarinchira ya wholesale bune sukari omuchere amaguta y'ikinyini echumbi amabere chidaipa esabuni nibindi binge koni abari ichituma cyukwagachira amabati emisumari chisimiti chirangi chisengenge chiwilbaro nebinde binge nigo bagukubugurira umusigo ekero kwagurire goikabuo asegeka gichinse 24 beka eoda yao ku Rwanda osiasure ensiweta usobatarire imeyo mu cyubusungo asamagacho AJM Towers Building angena Credit Bank gose Uhuru Complex Building angena Safaricom Customer Care Kisi usuba kirisimi asikinambechi Owuru Superstores Limited, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices or your money back.
I saw more Kenya Owuru Superstores yonyorevi
Esukuru yokurwa morokerio yobubwenia ya Ram Training College egutoka imeyo muchukisi nige ukumanyabuna nigo bakurwa morokerio yebirenko bigoro na nigo bancheire nekyombe kyamangana yechisemi Technical Vocational Education na Nursing Council of Kenya nigo babwata mabaga asechikosi chikobwatya Diploma in Nursing, Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, Medical Social Work. Voigo nkwegeria bare Theatre Technology. Amaigirio a HTS, NASCOP nkurwa bare. Nigo baokora matemwa a Kenya National Examination Council gusenec. Asebali bakurwa tambe mbabuate chi hostels chokomenya. Nigo bare a senyegitari ya RAM ere ange nekigambiro kia Kisi Low Courts. Mbabuatoro sagiaronde ange ne kanisa Deliverance Church imeyomo chukisi. Apply riba gabono as a PO Box 81-40200 Kisi Gose o Kisi miasi namba enotisano na ibere yemo isato marakabere ibere yemo enotisano Gose enotisano na yemo isano na enoti marakabere ibere isano na isano nemo Gose enotisano na ibere isano na kianda enoti isano nemo inye kianda naboko barikira liuko ase email yabo info.ramcollege@gmail.com.
Garnet Electronics niko bakoletere ehofa yiriguriro gusamura asabako koneri chiuva chifridge chitibi katibintu binde aseriguri ryensekegima niko bakonya ebintu buna bono chi vacuum cleaner chiri cyo gutumeka sinka nabo igoni chire cyo gukorera ubonjirya mbabwata chi fridge chi bathroom scale chi cooker chi coil amone chi birika chiri cyo gutumeka estima chi microwave washing machines chi TV chi hoover chi vasi chi dispenser mbabwata bibarabara biri byugutira yani fans deep fryer blenders chi heater table banners nebintu binde byo kutumeka steam buna bono TV guard wall brackets chi remote chi battery chi inverter chi socket igatie bintu binde ebinge boigo ntubuga tumurubyo oli papole pole asugwanchiru wakanere bintu ngorangora wekagwa kolide inyura asomurubyiga amachiko namarago kubwatiwa niko bagutuka emiyumu cyokisi asenyombe manyekantabuna Acacia Plaza ground floor Garnet Electronics iye nedukore igene ase bintu biri bigutumika estima aserigurire insekegima.
Supermarket ya Kisi Mart bono nigo bachakira umurubyo bwoko ni ibintu ki wholesale buna maguta yugo karangira kinyeni ubusi bwokuruga chi diapers ne chi tissue chi sabuni body oils ebinywegwa esukari ebikoroto nebintu binde binge naboigo nkoni abalichianga chinyange chi bag chi carpet ebitanda emeito ne chi pillowcase chi mesa nebirugo office furniture ebintu byogutumeka jikoni buna cookers, table banners, toaster ovens na microwaves, chi dispenser, cordless kettle, washing machines nebintu binde binge no bali miyumu chukisi opposite Kwanza Place ebare kugenda daraja mbili Kisi Mart Supermarket, the only man saver in town. Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi.
Omanchumurilia Ndizi TV ngokwani nibene ase entunda yende entunda yomoelio ime yomoroberio bwensakia ase mambi jabono astante kusanga nabageni vaito anemono toko mulekera yubabere bawekirana nekyombe kyabasa kya Jamhuri Kenya Youth Kenya Initiative abo bandedokora amayakima anemono asugusira abasa ensemo yoborai naboigo ase ensemo elia yama gendro sekobasira kwegenderia ase obogima sangana intwe weteraso mtandaito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News na weteraso mtandaito www.ndizitv.net inamba ito SMS 0792192834 sangana intwe asenchira jabene bwegontora sensemeria WhatsApp na bugo bagoso asense mere WhatsApp 7 ambe 0791928834 yesivu asesi miao toma ka message kao ni matenga basa bangerero ni gomore WhatsApp asego sangane ndo tera sinjireria WhatsApp tutumire message yao liboli yao na boigo kerengera kiao anemono igoro yengana twende to kwanira ase imambi yabono karibu naende ase entunda yende ime jomuroberio bwensa kya to kwanira amange anemono igoro yayu ekyombe kino kigendrete go ikirania twabire tokumurekera ekimwabire mu gwikirani gwikira bono twabire bigo tokumurekera alia murigeti gochikokora ase amatuko ari bosio korende ekeroto endate kumurekera ase ebyombe ebinkure aligere tulenga ekyombe kino naraliaya mo endate gokora naraliaya murigeti gochikokora ase amatuko ari bosio na boigo twagani kumanyanga buna ekyombe kino merobiri keye mubegete asokwene kinga mwabeire mugoikerania obokoreri bwaino buya na chigo chake ensemo yen bosentunde naende ase sara ndobwate byombe ebinge byabasabe berego chaka asama tuko akurumaega ebyombe byabere bigokora buya lakini kolende gatiaiga panyoranga abasae usabara ibara sebyombe ebi babeire bagutwara chimbwa kitari kingi ya kibesa cyabasa cyabakikobora tumanya ngomero berikie mu bigetane mono kwene kinga obwasi okumboro no bwene boro naende besa cyabasa njiriko kigosira sekyombe kino
ningeongelea ningesema kuwa we have got transparency. We are working on a platform on everything that we do with the money that we get, everything that we use, everything that we do with the money, benye zinaingia kwa account and everything. We are working on a website itakuwa transparent. Even the treasurer Purity is up on that. So we are following up on the website so that every money that is getting into the account kila mtu anaweza ona, anaweza access na aone vile tunaendelea so that pesa isipotee, so that hizo pesa zifanye kazi yake vile inafaa.
Kinkwirana asensemo ya project manager tumanyango ase emerobire mogenrete onene muno otwerere bono for example na binkuru omugweka noyomo mwabire mu chakia omorobire osimeka chinsiaga kibesa kiraba saba konyora Jonsi ne chiko bakonya bosenchiro naende bako batumira bosenchira kiye tukwanire system yini yo kumanage jibesa na kirgo chiko bako chakiranze wikiregoro
ese management yesibese au no shida ya gocha ya una whatever ni shida yo chari sana ese vijana because of trust so ndo wate away yo kumanage jibesa because we are drafting forms, that's agreement forms or now jibesa ko utilized for example under agriculture una bone ga togambira yoro yamale munabo title inseti but ndobwate bese tunye inseti ina mutual agreement ne linganje naye toywana ine ngangi torako leto draft leta chibese chi for example onye twa that's an example I'm giving bambo ata ubese ngenje elete ne cheso ke wango yo erenga onye twa chamwago okwato boli mubuli bwa buraire boli mu abantu balalete mali muna bank twaligere boli mu tento obopima nkirasi meko twasimike gendeke ngoli gutolinga percent yete ngoira nere go jeso monyane because yo to bole muneba ka benefit percent yete nere kwa ndese vijana abakolegasi ekubakana now our main aim is to empower youth etoligireti in a way tanyanga tuakandire kila youth in the end of the month ndiko tuwakana daily to work wedo na KTDA in form of KTDA when you work at the end of the month kwanyoranga chibesi chako chabera community umutinyo onye namagena kwa bero toneli percent ne to onye twa kwa chingoko ngotoneli amagena ya back amagena ate utoneli chibesi chieduka ngotoneli na certain percent yere chinde chatikala chikoran the initiative chinde chaenda to the savings for other projects so there is a wide ngochi kwana tole form drafted everything is in written will explain step by step on how the money will be used. Mente kuzu una sarateba about auditing intungu tutwala yearly auditing like another institution. Mbutobate audit kwa ndalentu yache ya kolega. On addition of that, account ya ito ngegete land by 4 treasurers. Banta ba chamo paka pache kubechi besi na bela asengo because getting 4 treasures pache kwa mwanga tatameli besi vijana ikona marumba wa te plan. These are from different and treasure from different constituencies. Na ala ba West Mogirango mbaro abantu tumugirango mbaro mchese itongi tutumasako. So when we come together, this money is in safe hands, and we have even plan a written toko chikunyena na to the youths basome sign agreement egere kende yonse nagecha nabo kwenda kotini wira na chibecha kwenye chiasiriri. Yeah.
All right, ere buyakima ntoma tinga basai na mangana mangi bakora ngokora bale bintu bire bironge bintu mbiro bitali bironge anemono asokwenyorera chibesa ntubwate ebintu abantu barakore anemono konyora tindige tiko byatora byonse by'abantu barabe bakora bitali bironge konyorera chibesa kurende ase ensemo yaino abunekiombe nchira ke mona chikwene kinga chi activities bose these things abasa bakora no riboli ngo boli cyasisara ebire bikobwatiri chiko nende bitali bintu bire mamincha no ne chimbwa ne chinkekiro cyumugusi ebintu bitali byetanjiri ne wegesa kukimokusa.
Okay. Kwa kwani rangi, what I can say is we are very transparent and our aim kwanza tukianza sisi leaders and for those who chose us we are very venye joba kuna penye James alisema we are not political affiliated. So everything that we do we make sure it's not against the law but itasaidia the youth to grow. So we make sure that every step we make is transparent for everyone. Then we also make sure we are not working with people when let me say I don't use the wrong word like hooligans but like let's say when James amekuwa kusema kuna agriculture, kuna department of education pia, kuna the health department pia, kuna sports and what, how is it called?
ICT.
Yeah, kuna ICT pia. So if you see, ukiangalia hizi departments, these are the things we are mainly focusing on. So there's no way we can get someone mwenye ako na tabia yenye sijui kwaje akikuja kuingia kwa education. That means we are focusing on we are focusing on the main issues and hazizileta disappointment to the people. I mean, inawezaleta shida pahali ama we start finding people when maybe they are starting to steal or something like that. So this we are focusing on people who are very focused and I believe each and every youth, I'm not tenganishi mtu yoyote, each and every youth is focused. Ni mwelekeo tu ndo shida peke yake. And that's what we as leaders want to start with. Mwelekeo we lead them. We tell them here are the chickens. Now take care of these chickens, have eggs, go and sell, get something to yourself. Yes, that's our main focus.
Alright, ere buyakimando chenga omoeso na boigo kugania ukwanire nganiye kwa kosoire ayebuno mu project manager kwani nangeganiye
nataka mente gabo one project ya kokoru minus executive confirmation. One, as the project manager, kile project ngweta mabokane. And we don't launch project outside the department. Kwa hiyo kwa department itobia etujibegete tikabuna chi ministry chi government. Nyamira the ministries buna chire na wadi department chire. So kende yons ge work under health department or omoda out in the health department. Una call the project ye telling all in the project twenza nyakole ekwira to the executive members executive banye discuss ya mark wetik ya manyakokolo. So through that think I do executive we are about 20 members. Ndo enda against the rules of the Kisi custom. Na ndike na chakana ko tinga tale 20 ndo what culture de yomo gusi. So we take culture sana na ndен to kuba tole ke gusi mono lilo kama chiko ke gusi buna bono nte bo ke maene ngelinga ndo bote abanga to chake ko le club evirabu gusi ga byo ko nyamalo ya eto korenta those projects chikwemba our youth. That's why we talk about agriculture, talk about sports, talk about health, talk about ICT, talk about creative and art. By the way, soon we are launching a movie that we are challenging a motoka platform. Kata una kalika Maria tuapa movie ya itofu.
Erosi no motolie.
Yaba usi. Ngoja tole ndo nyebege liko. By September. Leo chikwera iga. Tuachile gagegere. So all our project has much executive. So executive nere ko amwa project yako koru na nde yabangunga ne ndo kwenda outside the executive.
Intikalite asense moya utumanyango njera kiye mo rachikone kinga ngomulekera moruburai ase ense yaito ya Kenya no ene ase county ya Nyamira.
Ono asoburai o watebo maene barai baito mbarato hoki. tuchake na gabo moso Nyamira ngote Nyamira singe Nyamira nongoru lakini timente Nyamira gomenyete side ya Murang'a asina akasomire kerongo kombe agal semente na Nyamira ngonyore tofauti ni sana tigandu example ungajendo example Kiaru constituency ya Dindi Nyoro no menyete gali town Eyingo kwana without fear of contradiction inga omwanafunzi we public school Kiaru igakurweli we ya mother school fi patam aire lunch aire keregento tomanya kwira nanga towe pasa dia chiri bibere kwale mechano nere menene so through that under Jamhuri Kenya Youth Initiative again to young scientific research we are on with the scientific research nege ndrete members alawe scientific research yako tokonya ko make twaranga omurai yoyo it's countrywide from national but nisi segoro ya Nyamira about 20 wards tokwendekere ward twara MMCA nke MMCA kuna njiti ante bigoro ngagesima ese ale Nyamino nki akorire nki a promise tigera go chobisi tomubekere tiki tali ntokora ntobwate online platform wela members bali bandi bospara online ngoshe link ne ese group baranga nki mondo ya akorire nki atara akora nki a promise te alafu rating nero akyo kumulita top 10 ese gase ya akorire apart from that ine online nero togo tuma bande ground epale makiringa epale koru mochenu ya so embaro nero osiri oso mondo yanga inete twal elie pale ya mochenu embaro onye tara osiri twakoranga ki twamakinga wege distro at the end by 23rd September ngonyo watoto warusire report form buni elia high school tobegete omo MCA number 1 baka number 20 tobegete omo MP number 1 baka number 20 then to lose the list of shame abantu abanki bako ngagete the national mbabwata about awards balenda kuba award but into yente to warusinga tobate tolete ko borokinga yendo ma promise ti morako nande to na buto atira ne gaiga ne report ye yunga report ye to
tobaganyete
report ye to promise ti nere Nyamira constituency yo mwali amuiva an example West Mugirango ya Steve Mugaka waseki tu masabe ya Cliff bisayo so abantu abatoko ba challenge ngonyore ngabayiranire geti bachake bakoraki kumbe ndo chento murekire bachake bakore gasi ine atobwate about kuangalia leaders ngiba akorere
after we have done the summary and we have the list nationals chia awards nchiro chuo cha kwa November chia wale those leaders who have performed very well will be given the awards on November. So we are really working so that we can have transparency and really see what our leaders have done, not only in Nyamira County but nationwide, so that we can give them a challenge and tell them that there's something you have not done, there's something you're supposed to do, there's something that is not going well. Yes.
Problem ya benelinga kyoto kora what is na ego chako nationally to borumora iko Nyamira ogo chako zadinga na quality gas mora yondo wense okondigereri ebolinga kiria promise ya bana inchi gali so bana quality ese ngenjo nduntetinga nduchwenda ese sandu kisaje ndikuchwenda ngachi watu achibese nga tomote tumubekere no tangaine etokuligende kiria akorire chicho chiria tebete na roset epale na nya roset ya gitane bata mario koruga butana ni report youth nationally exactly the way it is no yabaka about 2% erto komwa kagara ranki kunamba kuno MCA bale 1000 and something abe number 1000 igoro yae obo MP unye kale number 297 out of 350 igoro yae so batakire bakolegas awarding yeko bakero mwaka so toko gendera igo onyo bacha shaming eri bacha kero kolega bacha kero kolegas yeah
all right
there's a link link nero ya wasai especially from Nyamira County you go click in whatever your leader has done for you na Kenya hajafanya the link is somewhere, maybe it will be shared. Then we need
what is that link omonto maybe urenkagalinga yaraenyora
we have a group for Jamhuri. We have the group, Jamhuri Kenya Youth Initiative. So before we give someone the link and they access to your group, then so first of all, really would love to work on how you watch on Nyamira, our group, our WhatsApp group. Then they access the link from there, so that we can have their views on how the leaders from Nyamira County are working, and even from the nationwide. They have their plans in various counties. Yes.
Writer erebuya kigima gintegereta sensemo yao sara nkira bigotebia abasai bataraso asebyombe mambia bono
again that these initiatives and this they help a lot. They really help you to grow. They really help you to get opportunities, connections. Kirogo samna Jamhuri Kenya Youth Initiative. Projects not Chiro project we have these projects. So when you come together, these projects are not for us, they are for youths outside there. So we are really helping, we are really working hard and hoping that every youth when Yakuko Nje might come, then we come together because these projects are theirs. See, once we have these projects, we have these proposals, as once we get the support, we won't disappear. We can't do it alone. And Pia, we come on fire. So what I can urge the youth outside there is we come together, they join us as the Jamhuri Kenya Youth Initiative, both Nyamira, even Kunaya Kisii, every county, Ziko Pia, we come together so that we can make easy projects Nakuja. They empower us, they help us grow. Yes.
Alright, ere buja kigima ginkwirana ase ensemo yao project manager ndatugani nkugani tyo kwanere anemono enchira umuntu arabiga gaswase kyumbe kino murobe kyo abwendate kubwati abiga gaswase kyumbe kino endenga monto kimya kaki obwen ore neriba gali abende gaswase kyumbe kino.
Yes,
secretary I mean that area.
Yeah, asante so ngali bagena ende ngagete ndabe yiko clarify asabo ni kantu wakana bese for registration wota gocheno njirende ogocha story ngagete togote nda pase gotige namba yane egere banyale nga bato ban text online WhatsApp to ba dise group ya WhatsApp mostly when to work na WhatsApp but offline we are bring a mechanism offline through ward representatives banyanga ba list ba bali mbali batabati simcho online banyanga ba mali tabali kiru egende gene tegete ne elieta liago asokorwe ward ne ID number yao in case of registration to what you sabu twanyoranga ndoge ndede process registration yendo bwati certificate process again tunya kwa menta banda ba system ya bongola ngona ya igogo taka go to join number yane nerulio
enabukuru number yao
number yane 07 02 08 1830 ini ya WhatsApp no konya abukungakana no offline go word or text ya sokuru you text me your word, your constituents, your ID number, your full names, and your official phone number through my WhatsApp. Then I will add you to the WhatsApp group on your logo to join. But I want to it all about 5,000 because we have 3 groups, Chichire, 4, the 5th one, the Jaja. So to take every youth banya miram, wacha megere to wakola tocha keramo. To ikocho ta unga gente kenenche nama na maite. Yeah.
Alright, ngocha sensemo yao. Ndoche kwanza babu Mchekova King matenganero motine neriyo inotebanga akotunde ndani live from county 047. Ngingo cha sensemo ya usara usabanko rikyoba rabi kukurua saba bugatani au anemono chiserekati chi county ebyombe au ase okubasira nabo igonchera kebarabe bakubasira nabo kurua enchera mogosirwa.
Okay, actually us accessing money, so we are really calling on the partnership with each and everyone outside there who is able, who can help us grow, so that easy projects that we have, they go through Vizuri, then we get to help the youth in our county. So we are really asking, especially kwanza hii inakuja ya 27 ya pads donation. We are still planning on it, but we really want to partner, especially with women outside there who really want to empower the girl child. So ADC pads pekake, we have more plans. But we say when Tanzania pads, we really want them to come together. They come and partner with us. It's easy for us to help the girl child grow in terms of helping them. Najua kwanza mwanamke kwanza the Kenya tunajanga nayo what is making us giving them the pads. That's where the confidence starts from. I as a lady I can testify that. Yes, na hapo ndo self esteem ina grow. So as we are starting without one, we are really asking outside there anyone who can partner with us atusaidie so that we can make this pad donation be successful. They partner with us. We get to reach each and every school, and these girls need the pads. Then pia venye job alikuwa ameongezea there are the street families, kuna prisons, na pia children's homes zote. We get to help the ladies. Then apart from the girl child peke yake, even the youth diversely. I want to say that we really need the partnership with you people outside there. Let's come together so that we can help the youth out here. Tusishikilie ati juu Gen Z and kulikuwa na maandamano or anything like that. I was very pure. It's only we are very much focusing on empowering ourselves and also empowering our fellow youth outside there. So to get I don't know if I'm supposed to.
Yes, nabokwana asimambia wano.
Okay, there's this kitu inaitwa mchanga where we have our where you can give your contribution to. Maybe they can wanaziweka kwa screen.
Nabera bakamwake lakini ndamba kuyikwanera.
Okay, we have a pay bill, and you for if anyone really wants to help us, our pay bill is 891300, and the account number is 103692. You can forward your contribution hapo so that you can help us youth grow, and especially with our first project, the part donation. We will really appreciate.
Abokwirorera nainde?
The pay bill is 891300, and the account number is 103692. Yes.
Alright, ere buja kigimando chinga ebiro byabere bikomyoka kigima chinsa cyabere chiko buto kabono tigambe yinko bali bagali abene lyoko ruwe birengereri byino ase eteka eyemeyemo to tarachi gukora umurobero bensakia asimambia bono.
Yes. Let me conclude this by telling you when I was seated somewhere in Murang'a, I asked myself, why are we running away from home? Muso Nyamira. Ngiyekwe vijana tutamela kurunga. Motono wetu tukorogole mo Nairobi. Why can't we make Nyamira Nairobi? Umole namanya gocha lero mambia nanyora umole no lokoba mambia ko unga obolemi no bonda. So as the head of department of Gachango the youth on the way on take mambia kenga to ise kwira na twins pinga kusi to amwe tokora abalemi nabo tokora Kenya ngima even the world. Na ndi gonna utanya to arosire bese nyinge. So any youth or left out about this that is trying to get us allies now, we move together, we make money together, we empower each other because in youth there is strength so that we make a better future. Ukiangalia sana for the past few years, youths have not been in the road map anywhere to leadership. So this is our time. It's time for youths. We can focus a more useful way other than Mandamano, which we create an avenue to leadership other than going to Mandamano. That's what I can tell the youths. Most of you are welcome to Jamhuri Kenya Youth Initiative, Mozote Nyamira chapter. We are serious. By the way, for the ile nakwambia ukweli, we are the best chapter in Kenya, Nyamira. That can be confirmed.
Ndore tabaki sinabara watumanyi buja. Mochinde, Kolende,
that will be confirmed from the CEO. We are the best, we are working. Na kwambia we are launching projects from today. So on the way subata kale mukalikala ile, tuwakele na mbeina bana nagabu, bwana muna utoje to tena kitobo tumeka, boro chibese. Asante soko twalibaka, tena to sangamo na ino. Yeah.
Yes, Sarah libagane liao.
What I can say is as we have been talking since we started, our aim is the youths outside there. Our aim is to capture all of you kwanza. Then after that, our projects that we have, I really want to insist on the projects that we have for you people. And I want to insist that these projects are for you people. So I'll call all of you youth, whether yes you're coming from Nyamira, whether you're coming from maybe Murang'a, maybe Nairobi, maybe Mombasa or anywhere, we can still come together and do something about Nyamira County. As we know, Nyamira it's just stagnant for many years. It's not developing at all. I'm just being honest. Yes. So because we have been electing leaders and it's still there, they give us promises and they're not working. So for us, it's up to us now to decide that Nyamira must grow. It's up to us to come together and make Nyamira grow. So first of all, urge any youth outside there, when he is not part of us, is not part of Jamhuri Kenya Youth Initiative, come together, let's come together and work this better. Then really, allow me to insist that we still need partners from what's there. So if there's any partner anyone who can partner with us that can make the youths grow, please come up so that we can grow as youth from Nyamira County. We can also help Nyamira County grow. I was coming from Nyamira, unapata from Nyamira from Konate to Miruka, it's just a one-way street. Then I came here to Kisii, when the person who carried me had the upper, he was telling me, does Nyamira look like this? Then I was telling anyway, we are still behind. So we need to grow. We need to grow. I still lazima it's not a must we grow in terms of tunenda kwa streets, we start tunaleta maandamano. It's not a must. We can first of all focus on us. Sisi wenyewe we grow. When you bring up these projects, then us coming together, it will also help our county grow. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Alright, tambia mono asuikirana Imyandizi TV emambia bono na benko gokigwa ne mono mwabere mugusanga nabalire baito bandizi TV tebali tukolio mwali mugocha sendizi TV ntobe tukubali ni bene mugo totalira nabo igoko semia abasae na utumanyinga ninkieke mogenrete gokora buna mwabere otebanga muju mutwale report card yabarai na intuno chinga Imyandizi TV ngokwana tuna Frida Kiribo tutwa report card inone nitobe tukoligelinga mbatebanga mokolega inkieke muhabeire mugo ikirani mbia mona sukirana Imyandizi TV mwancho murelia Ndizi TV niko twabe tugusanga nabageni kurwa asekyombekeria kya Jamhuri Kenya Youth Initiative orosagia Rwanyamira bayikiranire ase studio Ndizi TV mambia bono basangire 90 anamono amange ayibabire bakora na ali baligeti gokora ase amatuko are bosio ni matenga ayuno sai kwa bere gogo yasemia na boyigo bali kurwa se county Nyamira mwabere mukobwata ekemo enganera chiko bakonya ko bakurigelinga ko make decision ira chiko bakonya anemono onya moti oswase ekiombe ekyo nkwereneria abigania nchama mbya mono asokubwata ndo tukwata nere kurwa se mambi yarenge entambe asaba ko enika chibiche chibugo na mariogi abira okera asenchira yobekira ntare kumweba Frida Kirubo oyobaga gonsira nabo ko ngalibo gali abene ase gusanga nabageni baito ase imambi yabono abarigito ba Ndizi TV imatemba limo usi asimali tkolia lero bada usi asimali tkolia anke tokobaneria happy Sabbath day na lero happy preparation day nabayo bauti mokali tuko lia Jumapili na abere ginko baganeria mutware ibada engia kimokogenda ase weekend erende buyakigima wekera tobe tukumira na ase litukole Jumatatu ase naende ime yomoroberio wenzakia Ndizi TV wansu musi tobasa uska tobasa nyengera ntubwate miroberi emenge yogosemi yakogokia naboiko amangana amajia astora tokomanya amangana onsi akaba koleka kurwa ase ense yecho Kenya anemono asukumulikira orogongo rwa gusi nabaganirie litukuligia naboiko e weekend engia
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umugusi. Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV bono na bukura ry'ubuncholia bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinga kichindi chonsi elyo wikere abarigereria kurochika